Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Intel. The report was first published on our website Thursday, July 28, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Intel? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Intel stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -0.734. In this period the stock has had a loss of -1.17%. This is an average return of -0.58% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Intel, our last headline reads, Evaluation of Intel stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Intel stock price fell by -1.17% on the last day, Thursday, July 28, 2022, from $40.18 to $39.71. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.77% from a day low at $39.04 to a day high of $40.12. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.3% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 13 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 55 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.20 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $56.28, and the lowest price was $35.54. Right now the price is 29.44%, or $16.57, below 52-week high and 42.69%, or $29.58, below all-time high January 24, 2020 where the price hit $69.29. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $40.06 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -15.66% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -27.48% and -14.92%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.24% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -33.74% and -11.02%. This equals a price between $26.31 and $35.34 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Intel stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Intel stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Intel. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Intel stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $39.77. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $38.36. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, July 1, 2022, and so far it has risen 9.27%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 83 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 79 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $37.41 and $37.21. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $37.41. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $37.21 and $36.97. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.08 between high and low, or 2.77%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.77%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Intel. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Intel currently has a price-earning ratio of 6.67. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Intel meets first resistance at $41.23. If you do not hold Intel shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Intel finds first level of support at $37.41, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Intel is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 1, 2022, Yuri Frank D. made an inside buy of 859,933 of phantom stock units. On July 1, 2022, Goldsmith Andrea Joe made an inside buy of 619,152 of phantom stock units. On July 1, 2022, Smith Gregory D. made an inside buy of 859,934 of phantom stock units. On June 22, 2022, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an inside sell of 13,063 of restricted stock units. On June 22, 2022, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an inside sell of 6,477 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 39.938. In total, the insiders bought 1,509,058,802 and sold 602,388 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $37.96, minus 4.41%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 18 days ago. Is Intel stock a buy? Intel holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 29th, we expect Intel to open down negative $0.0867 and start trading at $39.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.